This video presents a summary of the public lecture held by Peter Junker on November 30th, entitled The Physics of Breakfast. Peter focused on three main topics: the physics behind coffee rings, scrambled eggs, and cereal clumping. We learned that the core concepts behind coffee rings are surface tension and edge pinning. The solidification of scrambled eggs is due to protein denaturization, and cereal pieces clump together because of the meniscus formed because of adhesion. I was interested in this lecture because I love breakfast and thought that the concept of applying physics principles to everyday things was very interesting. My favorite portion of the lecture was the coffee ring effect portion, so I am now going to go into more detail about this phenomenon. The initial shape of the coffee spill is due to the adhesion and cohesion, which result in the formation of a spherical cap. As the drop dries, the edges are pinned in place and surface tension acts against evaporation, causing a fried egg shape, due to the edges being thinner than the middle. The drop keeps the smooth cap shape as it evaporates, and because coffee is a suspension, the suspended particles are pushed to the edge of the puddle as it dries. At the end of the presentation, Peter mentioned that the research on the coffee effect has led to innovations in malaria and Alzheimer's tests. I did further research on the malaria test and discovered that a proposal is in place through Vanderbilt University in response to the World Health Organization's request for improved malaria diagnostic tests. When a person is infected with malaria, the parasite produces a protein called HRP2, which becomes suspended in the person's saliva. The team has developed technology that collects saliva samples and then detects the protein on the outer ring. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something interesting.